Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of PrestaShop YouTube playlist module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module, and I'll also show you that how using this module you can show the playlists of your YouTube account to your customer. So let's just go to the PrestaShop back office. As you can see that I have already installed this module in my PrestaShop. So let's just proceed to configure the module. On the configuration settings page, as you can see, there are various options. So I'll just explain you each of the option and its significance one by one. So let's proceed. The first option is API key. Here you can enter the API key that you have created from the Google Cloud platform. So before we proceed to see other options, let's just go to the cloud platform to see the process to generate the API keys that are entered here as of now. Now here is the Google Cloud platform. Here firstly you need to create a project. As you can see that I have already created multiple projects here, so I will not be creating any project, but in case if you need to create a new project, so you will just need to click on this button, and after clicking on this button, form will open here like this. You can enter the name of the project organization and just click on the create button and a project will be created. Now after creating the project, you need to go to the credential section to get the API keys. In order to create the API keys, as you can see that I have already created one of the API keys here, but in case if you are creating for the first time, then you can simply click here on the create credential button, select the API key option, and an API key will be created automatically as shown here. Copy and paste it to your module. Now after creating the API key, go to the library section. Here you need to select the YouTube option from here, that is available in the left side section. After selecting the YouTube option, you can see that these three results will be shown, and in order to show those videos in a proper way, you need to enable all these API keys in your particular project. As you can see, the option to enable is now available here because it is not yet enabled in this particular project, and you also need to do that same process for the other two services too. So when you enable these API of YouTube, the API key that you have just created for this project would be associated with these three YouTube services. And when you add the API key to your module, the process to fetch the videos will be very easy. And it's not easy, the process to fetch videos will be available, and you can simply fetch the videos of any particular account and show it to your customers. So that was all about the process of generating API key. And you can simply copy that and paste it here, copy that API key and paste it here and proceed. Now let's see what else is available here in the options. So second option is YouTube playlist type. In this particular section you get two options to choose. The first one is URL. Here you can simply add all the video links which you want to show to your customer on the front end of the shop. And in case of username, you can simply enter the username of your YouTube account from where you want to fetch the videos and show it to the customers. Then next is number of videos. Here you can select the maximum number of videos that you want to show to your customer under a playlist. Then next is select YouTube playlist mode. Here we get multiple options, so I'll just show you how each option displays to customer by selecting each of the option and saving the settings one by one. So let's just select the first option, playlist slide slow in player, and let's just save the settings. Now on the front end of the shop it's the other view, but let's just reload the page and I'll just show you that how. Yeah, in case of the playlist in player, this is how the YouTube player window is shown to the customer. A customer can simply click here on the playlist button to view all the playlist that is being shown here. Now let's just choose the other option, and in case of the option where we select the playlist to show at the bottom, the view will be changed. As you can see here, the view is now changed and playlist is shown just below the video. Here you also get a button to collapse or append the playlist. A customer can simply collapse or append or to see in the manner which he or she finds suitable. Then there is also another option, that is playlist in the right. Let's just save the option and I'll just show you that how that option will be shown to the customer. We need to wait until it loads. Now as you can see, the playlist is now being shown to customer at the right hand side of the player. So that was all about the views option, which you can use to customize the look of the YouTube playlist window. Then next is video description limit. Here you can choose to enter a suitable character limit that you want to show the description to the customers. That you can see here, the description of the videos is being shown. So how much description that you want to show to your customer, you can select that from here. Now next option is play first. This is kind of a different type of option that you can see. This option basically corresponds to like if you enter the number 1 in the play first section, then the first video that is available in the playlist would be played automatically on loading the page, or it will be selected automatically in case if this auto load or play on load option is disabled. So it will be selected, and if you just play the video, then second video will be automatically selected and played. However, in case if you choose it to 3, 4 or 5, then accordingly the third, fourth or fifth number of the video will automatically be selected and it will play according to the settings that you have chosen here, that is play on load. In case if it's disabled, then video would not be played after loading the page, and it will just be selected. And in case if anyone or any customer tries to click on the play pause button, then the selected video, that is play first video, would be played. Then next is height and width of the player. You can also customize the dimension as you see here according to your own choice from this height and width player options that is available under the configuration settings. Then next is auto hide. In case if this option is enabled, then this playlist that is being shown to the customer in the right hand side, or which we have seen in earlier options, that is on the bottom or inside the player itself, then if this option is enabled, then this playlist will automatically hide without using the buttons or the things that are available to hide the playlist. Then next is position. As you can see, currently this particular playlist is shown to the customer on the home page, That's because the position that is being selected here from the configuration settings is home page. However, you can also choose to show this particular playlist on the following pages as well. Left and right column corresponds to the category page. If you select one of these options, then the video player would all be shown to the customer either in the left column or the right column, or the whatever option that you choose, accordingly it will be shown to the customer. Now next is product page, supplier page footer, and manufacturer page footer. The footer position corresponds to the below of the page that you see here on this particular home page, and in the same manner it would also be shown on the supplier and the manufacturer page as well. And in case if you select it to product page, for now let's just save it to select it on the product page, and we'll just go on some product page to let you see the video. That is how it is shown on the product page to the customers. So here is the product page, and as you can see that now this video player is being shown to the customer on the product page. However, if we just go back on the home page, you will find that there is no video player that is being shown. Currently it is taking some time, so we'll just wait until it goes back on the home page again. Now here we are again. The video player has not loaded yet, so we'll just try to load it again, and we will be able to see that it is not being shown on the home page because we have not selected the position as home page. So the video player would be hidden, or you can say removed from the home page, and instead as you selected that it should be shown on the product page, so it will be shown to the customer on the product page of the shop. So this was all about the PrestaShop YouTube playlist module. I hope this video helps you to configure and use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.